Good morning. In this class, we are going to discuss seven important problems in Laplace transformation. So, we will see one by one. Number one is Laplace transformation of 1 by t. Laplace transformation of 1 by square root of t. 1 by square root of t. We know that Laplace transformation of t power n is equal to gamma n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. Here, Laplace transformation of t power minus 1 by 2. Here n is equal to minus 1 by 2. So therefore, gamma of n is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. So this is equal to n is again minus 1 by 2. N is again minus 1 by 2. So therefore, this is gamma of 1 minus half is half divided by s power half. We know that gamma half is equal to square root of pi. So therefore, this is equal to square root of pi divided by square root of s. So therefore, the answer is square root of pi by s. So Laplace transformation of 1 by square root of t is equal to square root of pi by s. Square root of pi by s. The problem number 2 is Laplace transformation of square root of t. This is equal to, again I can write Laplace transformation of t power 1 by 2. Again we know that Laplace transformation of t power n is equal to gamma n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. So therefore, Laplace transformation of t power 1 by 2 is equal to gamma 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. N is equal to again 1 by 2. So therefore, this is equal to gamma 3 by 2 divided by s power 3 by 2. S power 3 by 2. So this is equal to gamma half times of gamma half. So therefore, gamma n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma n minus 1. This is also we have one result. Gamma n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma n minus 1 divided by s power 3 by 2 divided by s power 3 by 2. So this is equal to, again I can say that square root of s divided by square root of s divided by 2 times of s power 3 by 2. 2 times of s power 3 by 2. So therefore, Laplace transformation of square root of t is equal to square root of s divided by 2 times of s power 3 by 2. Okay. Number 3, Laplace transformation of 1 plus t the whole cube. This is equal to Laplace transformation of a plus b the whole cube. Formula is a cube plus 3ab square plus 3a squared b plus b cube. Okay. So therefore, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab square plus 3a squared b plus b cube. Okay. So therefore, again this becomes Laplace transformation of 1 plus 3 times of Laplace transformation of t square plus 3 times of Laplace transformation of t square t plus Laplace transformation of t cube. We know that we have the result. This is equal to 1 by s plus 3 times of L of t square is equal to 2 factorial divided by s cube plus 3 into L of t is equal to L of t is equal to 1 by s squared. All the results already we have. So therefore this is equal to 4 factorial, sorry 3 factorial n 3 factorial divided by s power 4. 3 factorial is nothing but 6. So therefore this is equal to 1 by s plus 6 by x cube plus 3 by s square plus 6 by s power 4. So therefore this is the Laplace transformation of 1 plus t the whole cube. Okay. The third problem is also over. Fourth one is Laplace transformation of sine of at plus b. Sine of at plus b. Sine a plus b is equal to sine a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. So therefore a Laplace transformation of sine of at plus b is equal to at plus b is equal to sin a cos b sin at cos b sin a cos b plus cos b cos a sin b. Therefore cos, what is a? Cos at sin b, cos a sin b. Okay, so therefore this is equal to Laplace transformation of this. So therefore again I can write cos b is constant, so therefore cos b times of Laplace transformation of sin at plus sin b is constant, again Laplace transformation of cos at. So therefore this is equal to cos b into, what about Laplace transformation sin at? Sin at is equal to a divided by s square plus a squared plus sin b into cos at is equal to s divided by s square plus a squared. So therefore a cos b divided by s square plus a squared plus s sin b divided by s square plus a squared. So this is our required Laplace transformation of sin at plus b. Okay. So again I can write. So this is equal to a cos b plus s sin b divided by s square plus a square. S square plus a square. Okay. Now fourth one is also over. Come to fifth one. Come to fifth one. Laplace transformation of sin square t. Laplace transformation of sin square t. Sin square t is equal to 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. Cos square t is equal to 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2 sorry. Cos square t is equal to 1 plus cos 2 divided by 2. Okay. So here Laplace transformation of sin squared t is equal to Laplace transformation of 1 minus cos 2t by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 into Laplace transformation of 1 minus 1 by 2 into Laplace transformation of cos 2t. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 2 into L of 1 is 1 by s minus 1 by 2 into cos 2t is equal to s by s square plus a square is 4. So therefore, so this is equal to, you take LCM. So 1 by 2 into 1 by, you have to take out 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by s minus 1 by s minus s divided by s square plus 4. So again I can take 1 by 2 into, what is LCM? S into s square plus 4. Therefore s square plus 4 minus s squared. S squared will be cancelled. So therefore I can get 4, 2 and 2 cancel. Therefore 2 divided by s square plus 4. Therefore 2 divided by s square plus 4. S into s square plus 4. S into s square plus 4. Okay. So fifth problem is also over. Sixth one, Laplace transformation of cos cube t. Cos cube t is equal to 3 cos a, Laplace transformation of 3 cos t plus cos 3t. Okay, we have the formula sin cube t is equal to 3 sin a 3 sin t minus sin 3t. Cos cube t is equal to 3 cos a plus cos 3a. So these three things are important. So the two things are important. So therefore you have to make a note of it. Okay. So therefore, so here this is equal to 3 times of L of cos t plus 3 times of L of cos t plus L of cos 3t. L of cos 3t. Okay. So this is equal to 3 times of cos t is equal to s divided by s square plus 1 square, because a is equal to 1, plus here cos 3t is equal to s divided by s square plus 3 square, that is 9. So therefore you have to take LCM. So you have to take LCM. S square plus 1 into s square plus 9. S square plus 9. So therefore 3s into s square plus 9 plus s into s square plus 1. S into s square plus 1. So therefore this is equal to 3s cube plus 27s plus s cube plus s. So divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 9. So therefore 4s cube plus 27s. So therefore cos cube t is equal to 3 cos a. Okay, s divided by s square plus 9. Okay, this is right, this is also right. So therefore 3s divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 9. So therefore 3s into s square plus 9 plus s times of s square plus 1. So therefore okay, here in this formula I have to write 1 by 4. So formula is 1 by 4. I have to write 1 by 4. So therefore formula is 1 by 4. So therefore again everything will come by 1 by 4. So therefore 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Okay, again here is 4. So therefore this is equal to 1 by 4 into 3s power 4, 4s power 4, 4 times of s power 4, 27, 28 plus 7, 4s are 28, 7s divided by s squared plus 1 into s squared plus 9. S squared plus 1 into s squared plus 9. 4 cancel. So therefore s power 4 plus 7s divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 9. So you have to change the formula also. Okay. So what I have written in the formula, just I can say. What I have written, cos cube t is equal to 1 by 4 into, sorry, you have to change it, cos cube t is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 cos t plus cos 3t. So sin cube t is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sin t minus sin 3t. So this is the correct formula. So make a note of it. So okay. So therefore the answer for the sixth problem is s cube plus here is s cube, not s power 4. Here is s cube plus 7s, because 3s cube plus s cube. So everything is s cube. So therefore s cube plus 7s s cube plus 7s divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 9. Okay. So you have to be very careful when you simplify. Okay, good. Next, the last problem is, seventh problem is L of sin 3t. L of sin 3t cos 2t into cos 2t. L of sin 3t into cos 2t. Okay. So this is sin A, sin C plus sin D is equal, cos D is equal to sin C plus cos D is equal to 1 by 2 into sin C plus cos D is equal to 1 by 2 into sin C plus D minus sin C minus D. Sin C plus D minus plus sin C minus D. C minus D plus sin C minus D. So this is the trigonometrical equivalence formula for sin C plus cos D. Okay. So therefore Laplace transformation of sin 3t into cos 2t is equal to 1 by 2 into sin C plus D. So sin 5t plus sin t. Sin 5t plus sin t. Okay. So therefore this is equal to 1 by Laplace transformation of. So Laplace 1 by this is equal to Laplace transformation of 1 by 2 into this. So therefore 1 by 2 into Laplace transformation of sin t plus 1 by 2 into Laplace sin 3, here is sin 3t, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5t, 3 minus 2t, c plus d, that is 3t plus 2t equal to 5t, c minus d is equal to 3t minus 2t, that is t. Okay. So therefore here is 5t, here is sin t, Laplace transformation of sin t. Okay. So therefore this is equal to 1 by 2 of, what is sin 5t? A divided by, that is 5 divided by s square plus 5 square, s square plus 5 square, plus sin t is equal to a divided by 1 by s square plus 1 square, s square plus 1 square. So therefore you take LCM, this is equal to 1 by 2 into, you take LCM, s square plus 25 into s square plus 1. So therefore 5s square plus 5 plus s square plus 25 plus 25. So therefore 5s square plus s square, 6s square, 6 times of s square. Okay. So therefore 5 plus 25 is equal to 30. So therefore 6s square plus 30, 6s square plus 30 divided by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1, s square plus 1. So therefore 1 by 2 is there. So therefore this is equal to 1 by 2 times of this. So therefore we will take out the 2, therefore we will be getting, if you take out the 2, we will be getting 1. So this is equal to, you take out the 2, 2 will be cancelled. So 6 becomes what? 6 becomes 3s square plus 15, 3s square plus 15 divided by s square plus 25, s square plus 25 x square plus 25 into s square plus 1. So this is nothing but Laplace transformation of sin 3t cos 2t. Okay, so therefore, so these 7 problems are most important. So whenever you solve the problem, you have to be very careful. Okay, thank you.